Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the fifth question from exercise 8.4. The first one is prove the following identities. That is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. When you are given such identities to prove, what you have to do is take the LHS first. So here, which is the LHS? LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Now look at the RHS. The RHS is in terms of cos theta. So we will first convert cosec theta and cot theta in terms of sine and cos. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Now you can see the denominators are same. So you can write the numerators together. So the next expression will be 1 minus cos theta by sine theta the whole square. Now 1 minus cos theta the whole square by sine square theta. Then what is 1 minus cos theta the whole square? I can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is what you mean by 1 minus cos theta the whole square. Students, do you remember any identity relating sine square theta? You know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, what is sine square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So, instead of writing sine square theta, I can write 1 minus cos square theta. Now, can you see any identity here? 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, the identity which you learnt is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So taking a square as 1 and b square as cos square theta, I can write 1 minus cos square theta as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Can you see any common terms? Yes, 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. One is in the numerator and one is in the denominator. So, cancelling the common terms, what will you get? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See this, children? This is what is given in the right hand side of your question. Isn't it? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We started from the LHS and finally we got RHS. So, the identity is proved. So, in this question, which all identities we used? We used cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 and the algebraic identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here you can see we started with LHS and we ended up with RHS. Here we converted cosec theta in terms of sin theta and cot theta in terms of cos and sin. Why did we do that? Because your answer is in the terms of cos theta. Going to the next question. Second question. cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. What is that? 2 sec A. Now, as usual, we'll take the LHS, that is left hand side. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. If you want to add fractions, the denominators should be same. Here the denominator is 1 plus sin A and here the denominator is cos A. So what will you do to add these fractions? You will cross multiply the denominators, isn't it? That means cos A into cos A, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. That is the step which I have written here. Cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Simplifying. How will I simplify? Cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Can I use any algebraic identity there? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A? Yes, I can use the identity A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, 1 plus sin A the whole square, I can write it as 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A. What is that? 1 plus sin A the whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A. So, that is what I have written here. Don't get confused by jumping from this step to this step. I have used A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now, can you see cos square A plus sin square A? Yes. What is the identity used here? Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So, instead of writing cos square A plus sin square A separately, I can just write 1. So, I wrote 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A. That is what I have written here. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A by the denominator. What is the denominator? 1 plus sin A into cos A. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. So, I can write it as 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Can you see 2 common? So, I have taken 2 outside. 2 into 1 plus sin A. That is 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A get cancelled. So, what is remaining? 2 by cos A. What is 2 by cos A? It is 2 sec A. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. So, 2 by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Now, what is 2 sec A in the question? 2 sec A is the RHS of our question. So, we started with LHS and we ended up with RHS. So, the identity is thus proved. Is that clear to you?